Welcome to HVS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating Food for Needy project. So the project developed in using the Python language. So we use a Spider IDE to develop the code, and the version of this Python is 3.7 version. So the main purpose of this project is, so generally the food will be wasted from the hotels whenever there is no customers the day end. So then the hotel guys will place their discounts in a website. So we are developing a web application. The users or customers need to log into the web application with the given credentials, and from there they need to log in to the web application and they'll check the availability of these discounts in respective hotels. So now the project was developed using the Python language with Flask is a web server providing so WSGI, and here we can see the users with the passwords and IDs are stored in the user variable, and the object is consist of these three things like ID, username, and password. So this is a total Flask code login. When the user is matching with that one, then we'll send the data from this text file to the browser directly. So now I'm just placing these discounts and along with the hotel names or restaurant names, and now we need to open the command prompt and just enter go to the address of this file, which consists of app.py, and data, the text file, and templates. It consists of login and profile web HTML pages, and go to this folder through command prompt and then just enter Flask run. So now it will show you the local host along with the port number, and then go to the browser and enter this localhost colon 5000 slash login. So now the mentioned user ID and the password which is there in the Flask code is app.py. So now we can see that the respected person, a customer, will come to know that these are the hotels providing the discounts. And now we are going to changing this file. So we are going to add some other restaurants. Biryani house. So they will provide a round of 50% discount. Just save that. And now the another person will enter, and now he will get the same, the updated one. So this will be monitor. As of now, we developed this project for the local host. Right, login, and now we are entering the the updated one will be displayed here. So the profile page consists of so-called username and the user ID number also. Thank you.